Hello little crafties, welcome to my channel after a really long time. I hope you're all doing well, and I'm sorry for the delay in videos. I'm trying to post regular videos, but it's just not going in order. So I'm really sorry for that, but you can enjoy my old videos. I'll be trying to post regular videos. And yes, I think of calling you all little crafties or crafties. Tell me, can I call you that? Comment yes or no in the comment section. I will also do a poll for it in community post. So today I'm making some pattern papers or background papers for journaling. You can use these paper for making cards or scrapbooking also. They are very versatile, can be used anywhere in any craft, and very easy to make also. I'm just using some sketch pens and brush pens. You can use watercolors also if you are good at using them, or you can just try experimenting with them. So yes, I'm using Dom's sketch pen and brush set, the pastel one. You can use almost any sketch pen or brush pen you have. I have made many more pattern papers like in my previous videos. You can check those also on my channel. They are very easy to make and quite useful in journaling. So yes, and I hope you enjoy the video. It feels really good, like posting after a really long time. Not so long, it's like almost 2 weeks I think for a full video. Although I have uploaded some shorts, but this one is a full video. And also let me know, do you like the voice over the videos or not? Should I keep them in my videos or just plain background music? Do you like talking with myself or not? Is it really boring or something like that? You can give me suggestions, like how can I upgrade my talking and communicating skills with you all, and really suggest me some new videos ideas too. I really liked this blue pastel background one. I think is the most favorite one in this video. Like, you can experiment on your own with different colors and patterns and texture. It is really fun creating patterns of your own ideas, and use them for journaling or cards or anything. So yes, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the videos after a really long time. It's fun meeting you all again, and stay tuned, I'll be bringing some more new videos. Thank you so much for watching. And these are all the pattern papers I've made today. Pretty gorgeous, no? I think they are. Let me know, do you think that too? And which one is your favorite one? Let me know that also in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so that you don't miss any new video. And once again, thank you so much for watching and staying connected to my channel. Take care.